Hello everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome back to Busties channel. So today I have a super fun video for you guys. I've been doing lots of shopping on Amazon recently and I've been finding some very high quality pieces. So with that being said, I obviously have to share everything with you guys and I'm going to try it on and talk a little bit about each product. Everything that I'm going to be showing you guys today will be linked down below in the description box so you can go and find it easily. I think that's everything I have to tell you guys, so let's get into it. First thing I have to show you guys is my absolute favorite piece from the haul. It is this gray bodysuit that has biker shorts at the end of it. It is literally so comfortable and soft. I have been living in it. It has a scoop neck and it's kind of the same in the front and the back for the neckline. It's ribbed, which I think is a very flattering material. I'm obsessed. Okay, moving on. Next, we have these gray leggings. So adorable. And in the back, they have a scrunch, which is really flattering for the bum. I've seen these all over TikTok and I've never tried a pair out. So I was super excited when I got these. The material is also really silky, which I absolutely love. They're high-waisted and they are perfect for the gym or just like casual everyday wear. Next thing I have are the Dickies 874 work pants. These are literally iconic in all over Pinterest recently because you flip over the waistband and they're super cute. I got a size 32 by 31 and they give that oversized look that I was searching for. These are the black pair. I know they have them in dark blue and a khaki and I think a dark green. I definitely want to get all the colors because I'm literally obsessed with them. They go with everything. They're super casual and yeah, I would highly recommend. Next up, we got the Levi 501s. These are obviously in women's size. I love the front and the back as well. They go to a perfect length and they're very fitted throughout the hip, which gives a very cute look. Just for reference, I got a size 28 and I'm usually a size small to medium. I would say it does fit true to size. Every girl needs a black dress in their closet and this one is perfect for casual wear. It has a t-shirt material, which I absolutely love because if you haven't noticed, I'm obsessed with comfort and this definitely gives me that. It has a ruching material on the sides and then on the bottom there is a tie so you can adjust it if you want the dress to go higher up or longer, whichever you prefer. It has a really nice neckline. It doesn't go too low, but it's also not super high up. And let me show you the back. This dress is extremely flattering and it's really soft. You can either dress it up with some heels or dress it down. My favorite thing is finding Skims dupes on Amazon. So I found this matching set. These are the bottoms and this is the top. It is really soft and they have it in a bunch of colors. I ended up getting the white and it's not see-through at all, which I absolutely love. I got a size small and the shorts do go down to a great length. They're not too short. And it looks exactly like the Skims dupe. The material is great and really thick. Definitely a keeper. I think this might be my favorite dress that I've ever owned. So beautiful. I've posted a lot of this on TikTok and Instagram and I've gotten so many compliments on it. It is really popular. It has a sharp V-neck and then on the sides it's kind of ruched and has ties on each side. And then in the middle, it gives a type of corset look. It's like cinches the waist. And then on the bottom, it is long in the front and in the back. But then on the sides, it goes up, which gives you a very curvy look. And I'm actually obsessed with it. The color is beautiful. The material is so thick and high quality. You would never expect that this is from Amazon. I am the queen of matching sets. This one is so fun for the summertime. Let me show you the top. I love all of the colors on it. There's pinks, there's greens, and it is really high quality. The material is absolutely fabulous. They are high-waisted, which I love. I got a size small. It does fit true to size. The top goes straight across, and then the straps are spaghetti, but a little bit thicker than our normal spaghetti strap, which I absolutely love. This set is perfect for summer or even like Coachella or a festival. I've been showing you guys a lot of white pieces. If you haven't noticed, I'm obsessed with the color white recently. I found this top. It's a bandeau, but then on the bottom, it has this really pretty flower detailing. Also in the front, it has a crossover. I got this in a size small. It does fit true to size and it's not see-through. The top part is knit and it's very soft and comfortable, and then it's more airy on the bottom. The detailing is beautiful. Again, you would never know this is from Amazon. It looks super high quality. So perfect. Anytime I place an Amazon order, I always have to pick up a Busties kit. This is such a go-to. I don't use bras. I literally only use Busties boob tape for all of my outfits. So everything that I'm showing you guys in this haul, all of the try-ons, I use Busties boob tape with all of the outfits. So it comes with a roll of tape, and then it also comes with flower petals for nipple covers, and it comes with a silicone pair. Also, it comes with a skin sensitivity test, so you can make sure you're not allergic to anything before you put the tape on, just in case. And I love that it comes with a Busties bag, so I can take it with me. So I can take the bag with me on the go. You guys need this. It's perfect for all style tops. I used it in every single one of these outfits, so you can tell it is really versatile. I will leave the link for it in the description box below. Next up, we have this basic black bodysuit. I also got this one in white because I just love them so much. They go up to a high neck, which is super flattering on me, especially if you're a bigger chested girl. And the sleeves are just a normal t-shirt, and then on the bottom it clasps. This is perfect to dress up or down. You can just throw it on with a pair of jeans or put on a little fancy skirt or something like that. The material is really soft. Again, it is like a t-shirt, but I love that it is in the form of a bodysuit so that it is pretty skin tight on me. I would say to size down in this because it does fit a little bit bigger than your normal size. Super cute, definitely an essential and a basic that you must have in your closet. All right, that is everything I have to show you guys today. Don't forget to check out Busties. I will leave the link so you can purchase down below in the description, as well as my Amazon storefront where all of these items are linked all in one place. And that's all. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.